Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and I'm back with another fun Cricut tutorial, so let's get started. Today I'm sharing how you can add a leather patch to your project without sewing. To start, you'll place your genuine leather on a strong grip mat with the soft side down. I'm using Cricut leather. Use a brayer to smooth out any wrinkles. To cut genuine leather, you will need the deep point blade. Once you cut the patch, use a scrap of HTV for your design. Don't forget to switch your blade back and mirror the image. To adhere the patch to your project, you will need a double-sided fusible web. I used FlexiFuse. All you have to do is trace out the shape and cut it down to size. Once you cut the FlexiFuse to size, just follow the instructions to adhere it to the back of the leather. For my hat, I wanted the patch to be offset to the side. I used a piece of butcher paper to protect the leather and follow the directions on the webbing to press it onto the hat. I turned the hat inside out and pressed again from the inside. Next, I aligned the design on the patch and then pressed. You can do this with either the hat press or mini press. And that's it! Super simple. I hope you will try out this project and let me know what you think by commenting below. Be sure to subscribe for more weekly Cricut videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time!